Uh, Yo. Ah, okay. Nice. I don't can't even see my stream. Let's check. Yes. Why the heck is the Yeah, here's the thing. I think I have to change the thumbnail because for some reason it's literally just my my what the hell is this? Like it's my banner. Yeah, I think that's the more accurate word, like banner. And yeah, I don't really think that's really good. Let's go to where I left off yesterday. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so I just leaked my my search history, and that's not really good. I don't care because no one's watching anyways. Hmm. I don't really care. Like what can you do with my history anyways? You can't really do anything. Oh, what is this, bro? Let's open. Oh my god, the animation, the background animation, the FPS, it just decreased by a lot. Yo. Ready. And then open this like this. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, on tick. Oh, let's left. We left off where I mean yesterday's stream we left off at around here, and now I didn't really like did a lot of study off stream because I was actually going to a dentist yesterday, so didn't really do much. So let's continue where we left off, which is here. And yeah, technically we're just writing the code. But I don't really know like I don't really know like everything in the code, but we just follow what is written. Okay. That's high bar and then high time. Previous high price equals to last high price. So this one is like check if it swings to high, and this one it checks throughout each bar. It checks throughout each bar if there is a swing high. So now once we do this, we know every bar which one have swing high, which I don't really understand what is a swing high as well. Oh, bruh. Excuse me. Last high time, last high price equals to high data, and last high bar. Also, like we're taking we're updating. Technically, we're updating all the price and shades. Time data, last high bar. I think there's a way to simplify this, right? There must be a way. There's too much code. And this one is last. It's like you're updating everything to fit the new information. last high RSI equals to RSI data. RSI data. And RSI data is the last high bar. Damn. String high type. So we make a high type to be H. And then we make an if statement. If the previous high price is greater than 0, why? Check if the high exists. Oh, because we make the last high price to be greater than 0. There's no way there's a stock that is negative or 0 in price, right? Unless you accidentally round it up. But even so, it's kind of hard. Oh wait, this is not stock. This is like currencies. Damn. Okay, high type equals to last high price greater than previous high price question mark. So if it is like this, the last is higher than the previous, last price is the newest one greater than the previous one, which is technically now the last high price, the previous last high price. Then you say HH and LH. I don't really know what's that, but it's like, I think it's like maybe you use it for an if else statement to know whether it's what type of high it is. But I don't get the HH and LH meaning. Okay, never mind. What the hell is a higher high? Last high price greater than the previous high price. So the last high price will be greater than the previous high price. This is just a boolean. Oh, wait a second. Didn't already use this. So why do we have to do this after this? Like, can't we just put it up here and then just put this to replace this whole shit right here? That's kind of an interesting take. And I think that I should do that, but at the same time, I feel like I just want to copy what is here. and that's like, I feel like that's a bad thing, but I don't know. In the bars, okay. What, so difference between bars? You take a previous and minus by the last high bar. Oh wait, shouldn't you put it as absolute if you want to do a difference? Oh, because I think you can know whether which is higher if you don't put absolute value inside. Oh, what the hell? What did I just press? False there. If the previous high price is greater than 0 and the higher high. Okay, if the previous high price exists and that the higher high is last high price is greater than the previous high price, and the lower RSI high, because the last RSI is less than the previous high RSI. Okay. Anyways, I think we should put like capital. And then just here put capital. Okay. Oh wait, put an N here. Okay. Then the bars diff is greater than or equal to. Oh shit, this is quite a long. It's so long, bro. I don't understand my neck. Mean bars between. Mean bars between? Like, what is that? Forgot I even wrote that. Where is mean bars between? And what is this? Next. Oh, 5. Wait, what? Yeah, like 5. And max bars between is like 50. Wait a second. Okay, the mean bars between is like 5 and the max bar between is 50, which is oddly weird. Oddly weird. Okay. So n bars diff. So we need to see the difference in bars. Does like satisfy these max and mean bars between? Then then here, if clean divergence previous high RSI last high RSI, because we put the clean divergence as bad, so we have to put all these last high bar RSI data, and we just put it absolutely, just put it as true. But what does this do again? Let's see. Oh, bearish. Put it as true. I see. Then this happens. Interfactor. Like, they just do this calculation thingamajig. I don't understand what is this. But I feel like it's useful. I feel like it does something, but I don't understand what does it do yet. And once I run the program, I still won't understand what it does, because this is kind of highly complex. Not gonna lie, it is highly complex. Line name equals to div line var plus time to string last high time this object create. Oh, this is like you draw the divergence line. Okay. Shadow ID and a line name and the object raw color. What the hell? Did I wrote this before? What is this? Right, next. Yeah, there's nothing. Wait, object prop color. Object prop color is just a function itself. Is it? Yeah, wait, no. Wait, okay, when I write this obj, when I write prop, nothing comes out. Nothing comes out. Wait, wait. And this obj text. Okay, this exists. Obj prop. Wait, is this MT5 or is this MT4? Wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, it's MT5. Meta codes language. So it's MT5. MQL5, which uses MT5. Wait a second. But why don't I have this? I'm actually going to be surprised if this program actually works. Because I think it won't work at all. But I think it won't work at all. Right? Right, you know, right? Object set integer and chart ID and line name and oh wait, yo, it works. Now it has obj prop. Hey, what the oh, what the hell? What? Wait, what? I don't understand why does it do that. Okay, and now I think this would actually work. Okay. Chart ID, line name, and obj prop width and line width. Object set integer and chart ID, line name, obj prop width. No, it's style. Line style. Object set integer. Okay, and then chart ID, and then line name, and then obj prop array. What the hell is false doing? Like what's false? Long value. Why a long value you put it as false? Wait, I don't. Wait a second. Object get integer. I mean set integer. set an integer. There is like kind of a lot set an integer. Probably is this one. But the thing is, right? Yeah, literally the same word. So I don't think it does matter like which one you do. They just show like the possibility of like there's different kinds of input that you can put in. I think that's what it means. That's why there's like more than one of the same word coming out. Okay, okay. And oh, in the RSI window equals to the chart window. Fine. Yeah, see, there's one which is just void, and another which is the one that this program is using, which is this one. Like how do they even get to like options for a function? I don't understand how that works. Because in theory, right? In theory, I don't think you can do that. Or am I just like too noob to understand? Probably. Like probably. You know. Probably. Oh, this one you have to make it like absolutely the same. Otherwise it cannot find. Okay. RSI window. But the thing is like why would you do this? Like if the program works, then it works already, right? Like why are you still doing this? RSI line equals to the div line RSI var. And then oh what the hell? Then you plus by the time string which is the last time, and then okay, what is this for? Set RSI divergence line name. Jesus, don't understand. But I think he's making the line to have like a string. To make it to a string, you put it as the name of the divergence line. And then you literally create the divergence line. I think we can just like copy and paste these because I don't really want to write the same kind of shit again. Or it's just tab. Yo, why is it like that? Yo, why the hell is it like this, man? Let's do this and shift tab. Nice. Okay, then let's check and change this RSI line. And just do this because I'm a lazy son of a gun. Oh, because I'm a lazy son of a gun. So you just do this. Okay, obj prop color, obj prop width, obj prop style, obj prop ray, and obj prop back. Their color line width line style. Nice. And there is still a lot of shit here. My golly. My golly. Draw the string swing label, which is the same thing Okay, like to be honest, it's literally the same thing. You're just defining the swing name, the RSI name, RSI line, the divergence line name, and the bearish. And this is just for bearish condition. What if it's bullish? I have to write it. I have to copy his code even more. There's even more code. And that's kind of crazy if you think about it. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Time to string. Last high time. If object find object find, okay, chart ID and a swing name less than 0, object create chart ID, swing name, object text 0. What is this for? Yeah, it's this one. Oh, wait a second. I forgot to double check here. Is this the same thing? Obj create. Yeah, I think it's different. Wait. Okay, luckily I spot this sooner than later. This and previous high time, previous high RSI. Wait, why does it accept more inputs? No, it didn't accept more inputs. Okay, that's my imagination. And the last, oh, which is really the last high time. And this is the previous high. Oh, can't really see. Previous high RSI. RSI. Okay. Damn, bro. Okay, man. Damn, bro. Okay, man. Okay, so this is like this, and now we create object create, but we only put like a few, which is weird. Let's see what the hell is this. You can see it from here. Like we just bam. So time frame double price, bro. You really just put a dot dot dot. You really put a dot dot dot. Are you kidding me? I have to see it from here then. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? You put a dot dot dot, which is price 1, price 2, price 3, price 4 to price n. And then oh, so basically just this. So just this. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The window is 0, 5, 6. Okay, that's crazy. Will I remember after writing all this? Definitely a no. I don't understand. Definitely no. And then what's the use of writing all of this? I don't understand as well. I don't understand as well. Objects, that's true. And the thing is like, when you can write this much, you cannot write like 1,000 line of code like me. Like I cannot write 1,000 lines of code, I will physically and mentally break down. Like, no joke, I will physically and mentally die of exhaustion if I were to write 1,000 lines of code, which is both efficient and works. I will actually get cooked if I write 1,000 lines of code. But for like an artificial intelligent model, they can just do it like in few minutes. And like I said, it might not be very efficient. It might do some weird ass shit or import or write code that isn't being used at all. But it gets the job done in a few minutes. You know? I kind of wonder, right? I kind of wonder, like in this MQL5 community, like how many people is actually using AI and how many people is like actually coding manually. Okay, like this feels like this feels like an industry that is going to collapse because of AI. Similarly to like software engineering, you know. And that's kind of worrying, like for me to learn this. Like every time I see this and I wonder why. Like, am I actually doing something? Like, am I actually like being productive, or am I just not doing any shit? Because like here's the thing, sometimes no, not sometimes, it's majority already. Like companies want the workers to use AI because of productivity. And so if I don't use AI, I'll be like kind of left behind. But that's kind of also a FOMO. That's kind of FOMO also. In the on-tick event handler, which run on every new tick, we use a static last time variable to track the timestamp of the last processed bar, retrieving the current bar time with I time. Okay, avoid redundant processing on the same bar. Oh, that's how you do it. That's how you did. There's a lot of different ways to do, but this guy do it like this. Damn. We set a data size of 200 for analysis, which is an arbitrary value. We thought you can increase or decrease as per your liking and declare an array for high data, low data. Um, yeah, okay. Populating them with this copy. Okay. We configure these arrays using arrays as series for time series indexing. Right, right. So the last high bars and previous high bars to -1. Then look backwards from recent bars 1 to data size minus swing strength. Calling check swing high to find the two most recent valid swing highs. Assigning them accordingly and breaking after the second. Right. If a new swing high is confirmed by comparing time data, last high bar against last high time, So if compare this against this, and that's how you get this wait, what, this here. We update the previous high variables with the current last values, set the last to determine the high type as H. HH is higher high and LH is lower high. Okay, if the previous high price exists, price shows a higher high, RSI a lower high, and the bar difference is previous high minus last high bar, falls within the requirements of the min and max, invoke a clear divergence. Okay, if clean, we set the bear div flag to true. Okay, and draw the visual elements plus a timestamp on the main chart with obj create, connecting the previous and the last high points. Okay, we located the RSI of double window with a chart window finder using the period base name. If found, create a similar RSI divergence line named div line RSI bear subwindow, connecting RSI values with matching properties. Finally, for the swing label, we check if the text object name swing high plus timestamp exists using object find. If not, created with object create at the high point, set text via object set string to include high type and bear div if applicable. Apply swing high color, anchor left top lower, and font size with object set integer. Damn, my guy, damn. Okay. Upon compilation, of course, there's gonna be error. Wait, how? Previous high RSI. There, wait. Previous high RSI. Find next. Oh, it's called as this. Okay. Then I think there won't be any errors for that. Okay, nice. Check identifier of chart ID. Undeclared. Oh, you, what a genius am I? Oh my god. Oh, there's everything in here. Chart, like a serious chart. My guy, chart. Did we write finish here? 4 and 1. Compiler, are you joking? Bars. Oh, it's bar. Okay, so once we take get this out of my face, let's open the toolbox. No, let's not open the toolbox. Navigator and data window. No, not data window. But technically we can. Technically, we can. I think it's the market watch. Yeah. But why do we have this? Why do we need this? I don't know. But it looks nice, I guess. RSI system. Allow. Okay. And then, like, yeah, we can see the line. Is it this line? Like, is it that line? Like this line? Is it this line that we are seeing right now? Let's see the what it looks like. High, and high bear thief. No way. It's like they show it as like a very clear line. But wait a second. This is crazy. I am stupid. Probably. I'm just going to take this and RSI system. Put this slab this in. This is RSI system, right? We slab this in. And then oh, there's a H. Wait a second. We can just do this. Yeah, we have a H at here. Let's keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Nothing. Wait. Really? Nothing? Really? Really? Like really? Like let's try RSI system and let's like visualize, like see in a visualization. You there be like, oh, there is. Let's go. Oh my god, look at that. H H H L H L H. The hell? But there's no line connecting. Oh, because there is no yet to see. I didn't see that yet. Let me see. What? There's only LH and HH. What? The heck? There is none. Like what it says HH bad thief. But I have right this bear thief. Right. Yeah, here. What the heck? Is it some sort of bug or something? OBJ correct. OBJ set string. OBJ. We didn't write the color here. charter ID, swing name, obj provocator, and swing high charter. Okay, my guy. Okay. My guy. Oh my god. How long is that? Okay, let's see how many code we have to buy more. I mean, we have to write, type. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, so it's like, oh my god, I'm very tired, even though I've just woken up just now. Like, man, man, bro. Man, that's a hard. It's hard. Damn, that's hard. Open by double ask price equals to symbol. Oh shit, shut your bitch ass up. I mean, symbol info double and symbol ask double as well equals to. Yo, why does it do that? Why do they use this kind of thing? Symbol pips greater than 0, then normalize double ask price minus by SL pips times by point and digit. Oh, they even, so you can actually do this. You can make either a stop loss and take profit, or you could just do it as none. But what happens if it's none? Then it will just have that position forever unless you close the position. So did it close the position? Does it close the position, or will there always be a position that is always there? I think not, right? It doesn't make sense if you do that. Definitely does did something. Point digits. Oh, not debug, digits. And this thing. If oh shit, how many I mean, if, oh, not ID. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Object trade dot position open. Here, position open. Symbol. Order trade by. Order type by. Lot size. And 0 and SL and TP. So this one is attempt to open a buy position. Oh. Print buy trade open on bullish divergence. And else print fail to open buy. Okay. Okay. OBJ trade dot result. What the heck is reds? But there's really a function for that? Damn. I can't really see what is that because this is the C trade. I mean the trader.mqh. So I don't really know how to use log arrow. Okay, open sell should be the same thing. Let's just copy and paste. Open sell. And this is bid. Symbol info double or bid instead of ask. So bid the price. Bid the price. Okay. And then this is now plus instead of minus. Okay. Okay. Okay, my guy. Okay. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? That's very stupid of me. Okay. If OBJ traded position open, and this should be sell. Lot size, and then 0 and SL and TP. Then print sell trade open on a bearish divergence. Build the open sell. And I think everything else stays the same. Yeah, we have the close all because right, there is like this, which means there's no SL and TP. This means the position will always open. So that's why you have to have this a close all. For int E equals a position holder minus 1, E greater than equals to 0, and P minus minus this thing, and E the position get ticket E greater than 0, and position get string position symbol, and then equals symbol, and position get integer position magic. Wait, fuck, I don't understand what does that mean. Equals magic number. So we have to see whether the position get ticket over P, and P is the position's total minus 1. So the total positions, if P has a total positions minus 1, then the same P is greater than or equals to 0. No, this is a for loop. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So we said this is like this, and the condition is that p is greater than equals or to 0, and p minus minus. So if we go from, like if it's 10, then it will be 9, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So position get ticket like 10, okay? And I mean like 9. Then you get the symbol, and you get the magic, which is the magic number, into integer, and this is string ith. Then obj trade dot position close position get ticket. Bam bam. Since we will need to open the buy and sell position, we create an all helper function for that. Further, we define the open buy function to handle opening longer positions upon detecting a bullish divergence. We have not yet defined a logic to identify buy signals. We are just leaping forward, since we will need it either way. Further, retrieve the current ask price using the simple info double function. Then, if the SL pips is greater than 0, calculate the stop loss as ask price minus by SL pips times the point. Otherwise, set it to 0. Similarly, for take profit, if a TP pips is positive, compute the ask price plus a TP pips times point. Normalize or 0 if disabled. The hell? Oh, this is so hard to understand. I'm dying. Wait, I'm actually dying right here. Wait. Um, so like, oh, they at here. So clean divergence and very dim is true. Then close all, and then open cell. So you only make it so that there's only one position. There's only one position, which is buy and then, no, not here, but like buy and sell, something like that, or something like buy and then sell here. And this is for the swing low. Oh, oh no. Oh no, I don't want to do this. Oh no. Okay, so basically, it's literally the same thing. It's literally same as this whole shit offline right here. So we can just take this and just copy and paste. You get what I mean? We can just copy and paste. So like here, we just have to change the stuff, which is the variables from high to low, and that's it. It's like technically the same thing, but I'm not sure where I should put it because like I think I should put it at here, but at the same time, I don't know. Yo, what is this? Why is it like this, bro? The fuck? Like, okay. Like the fuck, man? Oh, I'm stupid. It's like this. Wait, then what's the meaning of this sudden indent? This sudden indent is because of this if else. And this one, wait, oh god, must be something wrong. Let's compile. Oh shit, yeah, there is something wrong. Let's compile like this. Okay, so it's actually this the problem, like here. And we just copy like this. And now this thing should be okay. Should be okay. And then we just have to put this like this. Okay, variable already defined. But wait, we just use the same logic as we did in the bearish, only inverse condition. We added comments to make it self-explanatory. So if it's like this, right, we just do this. Right, isn't isn't like we of course must be in the on take function. There's like, why is there this thing right above here? Height. Oh, 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 oh. I'm so dumb. We are not using back the same variable, using back this. Oh my god, I'm really tired right now. Like actually. Oh my god, low data. Last low bar. Last low bar. And previous low bar. And if the last low bar greater than 0 time data, the last low bar and the last low time previous low price and the last low price in the previous low time equals to the last low time. And the last low price equals to low data. Low data and the last low bar and the last low time. Actually, everything just changed to low. Wait, low, previous low RSI. But we have to see the slow. You have to see the capital letter because I kind of write it wrongly. So I didn't write it exactly as correct, but exactly the same as this one. Last low bar and last low RSI. Last low bar. Eight. Okay. Last low RSI, last low bar, last low time. Previous low time, low price, low type. Jesus, man. Low type equals to last low price. You're just shifting all the thing as low price, previous low price, and then now it's LL and HL. Damn, it's L. Lower low. Damn, bro. Oh my god, I am so sleepy right now. Lower low and higher ISI low. Like you invert every single shit. And now this is all is inverted as well. Low price, previous low price. Okay. Last low RSI and previous low RSI. And parse diff is, yeah, it's just everything, but you change it to low, that's all. And the logic also is inverted. And this word is bold. Oh my god, bold deep, previous low price. Excuse me. lower low, higher RSI low. Positive definitely still the same, right? Okay. If clean divergence, now we just, okay, oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Last low RSI. Previous low bar. Previous low bar and last low bar. Last low bar. RSI data and false. False. Wait, false. Wait, is it false? Then at the beginning, it's true. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Here. It's true. But here, you write it as true in divergence. Because of the, yeah, because we have the if else at there and we have the different calculation if it's true and if it's false. So this is bullish. So yeah, it should be inverted. Yeah, it's nothing about the bullish divergence or bearish divergence. It's just we use the different formula for bullish divergence, you know. And this is close by. And this is string line name, deep line bull. Oh my god, I am dying. Time the string last low time. Low time to create. Previous low time. Previous low price. Previous and last low time. And last low price. Zion, bro. Chart ID, line name, object provocator, prop width, prop style, prop ray, prop back. Same thing. This is same. And the RSI window, RSI period, and this thing is still the same, but this can bull, and these last a low time. Yeah, this has a change. Shit, why is there like duplicate? Get out. Okay. Object create. Chart ID, RSI line, OBJ trend. RSI window, previous low time. Low time. Previous low RSI. Low RSI. And last low time. And last low time. And last low RSI. Wait, no. It's not like that, really? It's last low price? Wait, where is this, right? Deep line bull. No, it's like at, no. Yeah, it's last low RSI. I see the wrong place. I see the wrong place. Okay, I see the wrong gradient place. It's not what you should do. object set integer, and all of this. Yeah, which is, yeah, you know, yeah. String name, string low, last load time. Object find this thing, object create chart ID, swing name this, and just change this, you know, like just change that shit. And this also change this shit. Object is set to string, set string. Low type. Bullish divergence. And just change this. Oh my god. Am I finally? My laptop almost died because of no battery. Oh my god. Insane save. That is insane save right there. Okay, bullish divergence. Yep. And then object set integer, string name, the color, string low color. Yeah. And anchor left upper, and object prop font size and chart withdraw. Yeah. Finally, compile. That is freaking wrong because of this thing. And there is wrong again. There is this duplicate which I am really very trash. That's why there is this shit. Okay. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see. Like a RSI system. Oh my god. Wait, there is no, what you call it? The thing. Wait a second, why is it like this? Why the hell? The hell, man? Did I copy wrong or something? What the hell, man? Why? Oh, I am gonna, I'm going crazy right now. Oh my god. Why? Like, bro. I mean, like, our code is exactly the same. Oh my god, I really cannot do this. Oh my god. I have to like go through line by line, is it? Holy sh. Holy shit, oh my god, I cannot stand this. You know what? I'm just gonna continue. I'm just gonna continue this shit. What the? Oh my god. You know, this is why people use AI. Like, this is literally why people use AI. There is no there is no reason not to use AI in this case. Like, come on, man. You fix a bug, you don't really get anything from it because it, I don't really know, but because I didn't really do this kind of shit before. But this is the reason why people use AI. You know, because you can't you just got a bug and it's sort of like a syntax stuff that is bad, then you can just ask the AI to help it fix for you. Like this one, like it doesn't really need like logic or something. You just have to spot the error. And at the same time, right, when you do tutorials, when you do tutorials, like when you do the tutorials, right, you're technically just following the code. Like right now, I'm following the code and I'm writing out. There's no difference. Like there's no difference, right? There's no difference between you asking the AI and you copy pasting the code from a tutorial, then you copy paste the code from AI. There's no difference. There is no difference. And what's the point in learning all of this syntax and complicated logic that is not going to be used regularly because this is only used like for this specific trade? Like, what's the use? What's the use of coding it out instead of just learning it? Learning the learning the what is it? The strategy itself. You know? What's the point? What is the point? Like it makes me wonder, like, what is the point of coding if you can use an AI? Like it makes me wonder, you know, at before, you know, before like around ChatGPT 3.5, of course I will say that the AI cannot do its job in a coding because it's so stupid. But now it's a whole different story already. Because there's such a strong model for agentic coding, and there's now even multi-agentic coding. That is like, even if you are very good engineer that doesn't use an AI to code, you're still going to take like weeks to do something out. And but if you use an AI, you can do it very fast. The thing is like, yes, there's also some caveat to this, which is like the AI can do things very fast, but of course you will miss something. And if it missed something, you need to know what it missed out, which is why you have to learn manual coding to in order to use the AI to code. Because if you don't know how to code and you ask the AI to code, the AI is gonna expect you to just do what your requests are, and your requests are is very shallow. And if it's very shallow, the AI is just going to do very shallow stuff. You know? And which is like, what's the point? Okay, what is the point of learning how to code in this day and age? Right, right. Like if you ask me, like, right? Because you don't really you there it's not like people will very respect you if you steal manual code. It's not like people will praise you for it, right? No, because it's not like art, like art is a different story, okay? People really hate the AI art. But for coding, people don't really care because who the hell goes through all of your code? Like as humans, we don't really look at our code like really much unless you're a software engineer or something. Like for the normal people, when we play a game, we never go through the game's files. I mean the game's code file and source code. We never do that. We just download the game and that is all. And also, games don't really show their code. Like they don't really show their code. It's because of copyright reasons. So if the people don't really know how and how to see the code and why should they see the code, and if they cannot differentiate whether this code or this function is made by human or AI, then what is stopping people from coding with AI? Because you know you can do the code like this whole line of code. I can do it with AI. I can just scrape the information online with AI and tell the AI to code it for me. I can probably link an AI agent into this meta editor and let it code. And if it does like some bad syntax like a MT4 instead of MT5, you can do some embedded prompting to let it know that this is MT5. And you can put like a link to the syntax of the shit and let it train by itself. So it's like, what's the point? What is the point of doing this in the first place? You see, like no one is going to look at this and say, oh, you did it yourself, congratulations. No. You're going to think, oh, everyone's gonna see this and think, oh, AI can do this like instantly. Like, I mean, you write it in your own hands, nice. But how practical is it? Like these kinds of stuff will be always asked. So it's like, man, okay, apply stealing drop, adjust stop and loss once they reach profitable threshold. If it's buy position buy, okay, sell position equals compute a new sell. Oh my god, I really can't handle this. You see, like, from my viewpoint, you're going to use this in the onTake function. This from my viewpoint, okay? So like the onTake function, you're just going to on this um where is it? For each position, oh shit, what's that? If the position get a ticket, tiny symbols. This one is just showing how it does. With as this is greater than okay. For cell positions, we compute a new SL as okay. Let's check if it's a buy position. Okay, let's check if it's sell position. Okay, new SL. So this one should be called like inside of this open cell. If enable trailing stop. Do we even have enable trailing stop? Enable trailing stop. Oh, we have. We have. Wait, we actually have. So like apply trailing stop is this. And I believe it's like around here. Like you do it like here. That's why I think if enable trailing stop and position holder positions total like this greater than 0, and then you apply trailing stop. Oh, it already done for me. That's great. Then we call the trailing stop function above and every tick if we have position open. Oh, I think it should be here, right? I really think it should be here, isn't it? Because if you because if you do it in anywhere else, it's this SL and TP is going to override this SL and TP. Oh wait, we OBJ trade dot position modified. Oh yeah. So technically it's not here. Okay, I'm so stupid. Because we are modifying the trade. Like after we open the trade, we modify the trade. So it should be here, like this. Like here. It should be at here. Open sell and open trade. Open trade. Where is open? Open buy. Okay. Okay. Nice. After applying the trailing stop, that is all. We are done. We now need to make sure our delete chart objects. We delete chart objects. Oh my god. I really can't do this anymore. I am really going to cry. I am really going to cry. Like, what is the point? What is the point in like manual coding when you can use AI? Because AI has gotten to the point where it can code really good, and people don't really respect code. Like for normal people like us, like me, they don't really respect the code. Like for art, you respect the art, you respect the artist. But if you like, if example for games, right? They respect the game creator, the game designer, but they don't respect the coders behind the game. Like they just respect, like sometimes you add the detail. Like there's some games you have the details. You respect the details, but they don't really respect the code. You know, they just respect the aspect of the new, like the new features that's added, but they don't respect the code. So if the AI can create the features, but it is AI code, vs a person that create the features but use human code, no one's going to know. Like no one's going to know, because if both of them can work and both of them doesn't create like insane lag, no one's going to know, and people can get away with this. And that is why there's no reason not to use AI. Because if you say about AI art, you cannot use AI art. It's a different story. Because people need to respect the artist. But for coding, do people respect the coders? No, they don't respect the coders. They don't read line by line of the code. They don't do that. So it's practically, why even, why am I still coding right here? Why am I doing this? And why should I care about coding anymore when I can just use AI already? And it's very, I think that's very weird. I really don't like AI, but I kind of like AI at the same time because it gives a convenience. Man, well, I think this kind of stuff, right? One day it will just become a hobby. Like this thing, one day it will become a hobby instead of a real job or something that actually helps, is helpful. You know, it's kind of like chopping wood. You can say, like, if you can chop the wood, right? And in the previously, like before the revolution, chopping wood is actually quite useful because you have to use a string. Not everyone have string, but now they use a machine, and wood cutting, woodworking. Okay, not woodworking, but like cutting wood using an axe. Okay, that except you say the deforestation, that's a different thing. But even deforestation, right? They have machines. You don't have to manually cut it one by one, right? And it becomes like an obsolete hobby. Like it becomes obsolete. Then what's the use of doing this anymore? You know what I mean? Anyways, let's compile and see whether it works. And I think it still doesn't work because I'm so fucking stupid. It doesn't fucking work, man. Yo, I think I am just very, very stupid. Download an MQ5 file. what's the difference? Like, what is the difference? I wrote it out, man. I wrote it out line by line, and you still cannot get what the result is. I am very, very sad about this thing. Let me just copy and paste everything and compile. And let us just see whether it works. If we literally just copy and paste. Is it like my problem? Yes, literally my problem. Why? Why does this work but not mine? I don't fucking know. And I'm very sad about this. Oh my god. And he's getting like small amount of strays. Yo, that's 5 years. Damn, my guy. Damn. Damn. But I am so, like, I am so sad. Like, man, I wrote all of the code in so long. Like, I took, like, actually not so long. It's like 2 days. But still, 2 days. And what did I learn? I kind of learned nothing. Like, once I wrote it finished, I don't know what I just wrote. You know what I mean? So, what is the use of going through tutorials anymore? You know? Anyways, what did he use? Use what's our anyways, yeah. I think I'm just gonna revert this back. Bam. It's reverted back. And I need to like search one by one what I did wrongly. But yeah, I think that's oh, this is so stressful. It's like what's the use? What is the use? Hmm. I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, this is like the stream. No one's watching, and that is very sad. But yeah, okay, bye.